Welcome back. Today we're going to go over step 7 of the 28-point air conditioning tune-up and system rejuvenation. Step number 7 is to tighten and inspect all of the high voltage electrical connections inside the system. Some of these connections are located inside the disconnect where the high voltage power is coming in, and there's fusible links in there, and then the power coming into the contactor down here. There's other connections there that need to be tightened and checked every year. It's really important that we do this because we don't want to have loose connections. When those loose connections happen, we create more amp draw, which means more power. We're also creating heat, which can burn products out. They're not meant to get hot. So we don't want to have any kind of damage done with your electrical system while this thing's under load. It's very important this is done on an annual basis because we've seen disconnects melt, we've seen contactors burn out. These are things you don't want to happen because then your air conditioner won't work anymore. Usually they fail on the hottest day of the year when you need them the most because that's when we're using the most energy, we're using the most electricity, and we want this thing, the demand is high. So please make sure you get your tune-up done and then follow it up every year with maintenance as the manufacturer suggests. See you on the next video.